Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Good news for shareholders of Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company and Mailpack Group Limited. Atlantic Hardware's shares are once again trading after the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE lifted its suspension, while Mailpack investors have fresh financial results to review after the company brought its financial reporting up to date. Mailpack reported a stronger start to 2026, recording net profit of $64.6 million for the 3 months ended March 31st, 2026, a 6% increase over the $60.9 million reported in the corresponding period last year. Revenue increased 10.3% to $790.1 million, while gross profit rose 15.2% to $447.7 million. The results were released days after the company published its delayed audited financial statements for the year ended December 31st, 2025. In its director's report, Mailpack said the increase in revenue reflected continued growth in customer activity together with ongoing improvements in operational efficiency. The company also said it continued investing in its logistics network, technology platforms, and operating infrastructure, which it expects will enhance capacity, improve service delivery, and support future growth opportunities. The quarterly results were released days after the company published its audited financial statements on June 30, bringing its outstanding financial reporting up to date after missing the original filing deadline. The Jamaica Observer had previously reported that the delay exposed the company to the risk of suspension under the JSE's junior market rules, which allowed the exchange to suspend trading in the shares of companies that failed to submit their audited annual financial statements by the prescribed deadline until the outstanding filings are submitted and the exchange determines that trading can continue. That rule was applied to Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company on July 1st. However, the company's shares are once again available for trading after the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE lifted the suspension on Monday. The suspension was lifted with immediate effect after Atlantic Hardware submitted its outstanding audited financial statements for the year ended December 31st, 2025, which had been due on March 31st, in keeping with the junior market rules. Atlantic Hardware was one of 2 junior market companies suspended on July 1 for failing to submit their audited financial statements within the prescribed time frame. The other company, Kintyre Holdings JA Limited, remains suspended, with the JSE yet to issue a notice restoring trading in its shares. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.